Introducing words with egg and et. Listen closely for the words of the day. Listen for egg words that come your way. There once was a girl named Meg who hurt her left leg.
Ouch!
She tripped over a peg while carrying a keg. Now for help, she must beg.
Could you please?
Wait now, we are not done. Sound out these words one by one. G, Meg. G, peg. G, keg. Warm up your eyes. It's time to read. Let's whisper these words with a steady speed. Listen again. There are more words to hear. Listen for the et words that appear. There once was a pet that ran fast as a jet. It got all wet, but was saved by a net. Now it sits safely at the vet. Don't worry, almost done. Sound out these words one by one. P-e-t, pet. V-e-t, vet. N-e-t, net. It's time to write. Don't get tricked. You'll spell both types of words, so carefully pick. Grab a marker or something to write with. Spell leg, leg. Check your work. L-E-G. Spell jet, jet. Check your work. J-E-T. Spell beg, beg. Check your work. B-E-G. Last one. Spell wet. Check your work. W-E-T. Great job!
Yay!
Thanks for watching Kinder Romp. Hey teachers, looking for ready-to-use resources that match this video? Head over to my Teachers Pay Teachers store, Kinder Romp. Check out the link in the description below.